home of Baton Rouge's best lunchtime buffet.
Welcome back. You're watching the Saturday edition of the Around Town TV show, and I'm Chef Celeste. And in the kitchen with me is Scott and Kelly.
And folks, we're all on our diet, but it's
Yes,
going
we are.
pretty darn well.
It is, thanks to one way.
Yeah.
I'm almost at my weight, so I'm making their lives miserable. I've got 3 pounds to go.
Some people, 3 pounds, and I'm just starting.
How's it going for you, Celeste? Now, you're a chef.
Yes.
How's it going?
It's
You
actually
on a
going very well. You know, I do have to taste. That's part of my job.
Right.
But just after the basic tasters, you know, no cravings or anything. So I am very
So what are we
pleased.
doing today? I hope it's something that Kelly and I can try.
Yes, we're going to do some vegetable wraps. And the
Yes.
wraps are going to be made not with tortillas, but with lettuce, red leaf lettuce.
Oh, good.
Nice and simple. This is
Is this something
strictly,
people can do at home?
yeah, you can do this very easily at home. Strictly vegetarian. You can add meat if you want to, but we're not doing that today.
And do you know, since I've been on the one-way system, I'm even looking at my meats, Kelly, that things like chicken is very good for you, but lamb isn't.
Right,
I didn't know.
right.
I think I read that pork is better for you than lamb of all things.
Mm-hmm.
So I would probably do a little bit of chicken in mine, because I'm very much a
Yeah,
carnivore.
just add that in. And what we're doing is we're just tossing everything in. No big deal.
Now, one thing we want to tell people, of course, folks, you can go to the local grocery stores, but the farmers market is open this morning.
Right, the farmer's market is
Fresh,
open, and
yeah.
I am just an advocate for the farmer's market. You get to know the farmers. You
Don't
have
you do
your...
demonstrations down there every
Right, 10
weekend?
o'clock every Saturday morning. I'm there with a demonstration from a restaurant or a farmer
Now, what's that you're
from around
chopping up
town.
there?
This is a yellow squash here, and I'm just taking a little bit off of each of it.
Oh, yeah.
And it just, a little bit goes a long way, Scott.
Did you put anything in?
I didn't put anything on there yet, so
Okay.
boy, it has a little bit of oil in there.
Just a little oil.
Now,
Now, what
you
type
keep
of oil?
turning
Is
that.
it olive oil or?
We're using olive oil, but what we're gonna do now is make a salad dressing. In
Okay.
here, I have a touch of olive oil because you need that as a binder, or either mustard.
Say that again. So when you try to make your own dressing, mustard or
Right.
oil to make a binder?
Right. Then I have some wine in here. You can use vinegar, but I use wine in here today. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper, just a pinch.
Yeah, because we have to watch our sodium.
Right, I'm also gonna put a little bit of John Pierre's in here, not much. I'm gonna put a little bit on my vegetables because,
Do you use Jean-Pierre's at home?
I
Kelly?
love it.
I do too.
I love
guess
it.
what I did?
What?
When I went on vacation, I packed up some of these samples and sent some John Pierre's to Africa.
Good. To Africa, all the way to
It is so
Africa.
good, so you can get it here, right here in the States, so. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of red curry in here because I love curry powder.
And you know, one thing I'm learning on the one
Paprika.
way, it's an investment into your health, a
It-
healthy
it is an investment
lifestyle.
into yourself.
Change how you think and how
Right.
you eat. And
Now, Scott, on your plate there,
Yeah.
you have the lettuce, and what we've done, we're calling chimichurri.
That's okay.
I'm gonna turn that off because we don't wanna cook them thoroughly.
Okay.
And I've taken out the bottom part of the stem because we wanna be able to fold it.
Oh,
So you see
that's
it's
right,
like-
yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, okay, we've taken that so it's not so thing. And now we're going to
So
load
take a
this
little
up.
bit of it, yeah, put it in the center, don't use too much of it.
Okay, Kelly.
I keep getting these caught. Ouch.
Yeah, Kimmy gave the long
Hurt myself too.
here. Okay.
You're so funny, Kelly. You're as bad as I am in the kitchen. It's amazing Mallory and Scotty survived.
It's
It's
isn't it,
amazing,
really?
they're still alive.
Yeah. Okay, now, folks,
So we're now loading the
yes,
lettuce.
we're loading it up. We're gonna take a little bit of our dressing and just put just a touch on there because you don't want a big
Easy.
mess.
And it's
How
so
easy
good
is
for
that?
the summer.
Yeah, you can grill that
Use some
on,
more onions.
And
yeah,
yeah,
that one's more
Now
onion.
think about this, Kelly. People come over to the house. This is a very quick little
You
thing.
can't beat it, yeah.
And the other thing I like about this, do you want to take that one, Kelly? Or?
I'll take that one.
You know what I like about this, Kelly, is we did it together.
Right. You just get in here having a nice conversation
over a glass
and you're
of
putting
wine.
everything together. So
Yeah.
that works. Now, stay with us, folks. Still to
So good.
come, we talk back to school stress and depression with Scott Shaheen.
And we give you a chance to win an amazing prize right after these messages and after a snack with Kelly.
This segment of the show is brought to you by Dijon's Restaurant, home of Baton Rouge's best lunchtime buffet.